Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Honor 90 Lite, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 best themes and launchers for this device. The third place in my top is Niagara launcher. Just find this launcher and click install. Open this launcher and what we can tell about this launcher. So this launcher is really light. It's a really light for Lite device, for normal Lite. This is the Lite launcher. This is not consuming system performance. So it's really light launcher with just only one home screen and alphabetical line to find applications. For example, if you want to find Play Store, just tap your finger on this line and scroll it to P button, and here you will see the Play Store. Cool. On the second place in my top will be Microsoft launcher. Click install and wait a while. Click open, click get started. While you're in the app, allow all, continue. You can skip that in a Microsoft account. Pick your favorite apps, click let's go, and cool. So here on the left panel, we have the glance panel. In the glance, we have all widgets, so we can set up all widgets to switch between thousands of home screens to find the desired widget. In the main menu, we have alphabetical line, search, voice search, hidden apps, future, and here in the launcher settings, we have the gestures. And gestures is the killer feature of this launcher, and maybe because of this feature, this launcher will be a little better than the launcher on the first place in my top. So on the first place in my top is just normal Honor launcher. So why? Because it's beautiful. It's a really beautiful launcher. It's all icons we have in the one Honor style. So I'm old Huawei and Honor user. Now I have an iPhone, but earlier I have used only Huawei devices because this is the best devices for on Android system. So I have never liked Samsung system. I have never liked Realme or Xiaomi, oh my gosh, system. I always liked Huawei because it's stable, because it's beautiful, and it works good. Okay. So launcher here and theme here is really great by default, and you don't need to change something. But if you want, you can make the with pinch, of course. You can change the wallpaper, cards, transitions, for example, squeeze or box. But I want to use default. Default transition is the best. Home screen settings. In the home screen settings, we can change the layout and auto align. We can enable or disable. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.